First of all, open your game in Roblox Studio. And now in this Explorer, find out replicated storage. Click this plus icon and add remote event. Right click on remote event, click on rename and type here owner joined. So you have to write as it is and hit enter. Now click this plus icon next to server script service, add script, and you have to paste this code. You get this code in my video description box. Now here you have to add your Roblox ID. Go to your browser and go to your Roblox profile, and here you have to copy your Roblox ID and paste here your Roblox ID. And now open startup player and click this plus icon next to startup player scripts, add local script and add this local script. You get this local script in my video description box. And now just go ahead and save these update to your Roblox, and you have to publish the game to your Roblox. And now on, when you join your game, you get this message.